Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Durand School in Woodbury, New Jersey. My first visit to their campus. I got to speak to the students and staff, ages 5 to 21, and just an incredible opportunity. My heart was completely touched. I think a lot of theirs were as well. And that's what you see on the screen, this image of the heart, one of the picture slides in the presentation. And today's main focus was bullying, but the sub-theme was look at the heart first, right? And we know that our heart is as big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this, right? Peace sign, where one finger is ourself, the other is someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, but how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love, but it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action, 2 seconds, we can do or say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a positive way forever, or conversely, say something so mean and destructive that it stays on their heart in a negative way for the rest of their life. So we always have this opportunity, right, through our words, through our actions, our choices, whether we want to uplift someone, that we rise by lifting others, or if we want to bring them down, right? And hopefully we choose the former, that we're trying to encourage people, trying to really be their friends, and knowing that all of us can be that best friend, right? And that this world needs it. It's always important to know that, yes, we might have been through a lot, or are going through a lot, or will go through a lot. And the biggest reason that I see why bullying happens is that hurt people, but heal people, right? So if we can let that love fully enter our hearts, right? Then we can make sure that we make that a way of life. And I believe, a lot of the adults, students as well, they heard the core part of that message today that was about peace, about nonviolence, about acceptance, and not just looking at someone's heart, but seeing ourselves and others for this too. I bring this up in every assembly, but all of us with the lines in our hand have the letter M, right? I traced one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but you have at least one in each hand. That M stands for miracle, upside down. W stands for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that concept, right, then it's our job to go out and be that light to someone else's heart, especially if they've never heard that before, or they need a reminder of their worth, of their value. So to really take that to heart, to know that, in such a short time, we have this ability to really make a difference in someone's life, maybe even change a heart forever. That's really what we were trying to hammer home today, through the heartfelt stories, through the interactive lessons, the motivational videos, of course, the positive hip hop too. Everything combined was really just trying to reach people to heart level. And knowing that sometimes that's the only thing people remember you for is your heart, or want to remember you for, then we want to know that the things we're doing are hopefully to make a positive impact and difference in the lives of others. And by doing so, that's what we think about with our legacy, right? To be these kind human beings that no matter how we're born, no matter the differences in ourselves, on the outer or inner, that we still choose kindness, we still choose to rise above that hate, and we still choose to look at the heart first. So thanks for touching my heart. Great to meet all of you. Hope to be back again in the future. Until then, though, have a great rest of the school year, great summertime, and going into the fall as well. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.